E.l.f. stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, e.l.f. Beauty, it's sitting at $92.44. It's pumping up, of course. And I mean, I have 40,000 videos under my belt, you know, 5 years in the process. So I've seen like reps, repetition, data collected, and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors of what's making me personally money and what's not. But all that to say is that I'm looking to double down on this. So how is that going to look like? I'm praying for a little correction, man. Like, I'm hoping the price does pull down and does show me some sort of a shift in a double break. And if that does not quite happen, then man, like what I'm not going to do is start buying like a madman, right? So ultimately, okay, this is where we are. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting for rules to be met, right? And if there's no pull downs, then so be it. You know, I'm not going to sit here and force trade whatsoever. I have all these previous receipts with e.l.f. which don't show up on the Discord, which is, I lie to you pretty much. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading consistently, click the first link in the description and get my free email.